Hello guys, so we are now in Naiya Terminal 3 going to Japan. Actually, we went there so early, mga around 5:35 kasi 5 o'clock na check out na kami sa hotel. Proceed na kami ngayon sa check-in baggage. So, inayos na namin yung luggage namin at nilagyan na ng stickers. And after that, nag-immigration na din kami. Ang tinanong sa amin ng immigration officer is kung saan kami nag-work. Sila, sinabi niya sa private company, and ako naman sinabi ko sa government agency. And then yung as for me, hiningan lang ako ng immigration officer ng travel authority, and then ni-stamp niya na yung passport namin. Then kumain kami dito for brunch, breakfast and lunch na namin. Of course, we ordered yung bestseller nila, which is tapa. So, yummy. Going na kami sa boarding gate namin. At ayan sila, walking sa Wakalitor. Photo ops muna while waiting. After hours of waiting, ayan na, tinatawag na kami by group. Kami nila ay sa group 5. So, ayan, chine-check na individually yung passport namin and pupunta na kami sa plane. Ayan guys, so see you Osaka in 3 hours and 30 minutes more or less. Yay! We arrived now in Osaka and we are now in Kansai International Airport. Dumaan pa kami niyan sa immigration officer ng Kansai, and then we got our luggage. After being cleared sa lahat, we are now in rapid train from Kansai to Namba station, and from Namba to our hotel, which is Smile Hotel Gatsubashi. Here's a quick room tour in our hotel in Japan. Tada!
Present.
Hello!
Hello.
Ito yung nalagyan ng damit. May shoes. Ayan. And we have mirror here. Full body. CR naman dito. Comes with toilet tissue, automatic seat, may bidet, shower, saka stop and flush. Automatic siya. Then yung mga free amenities like toothbrush, toothpaste, and shampoo, conditioner, soap, and may bathtub. Also shower. Then after this is the room. That's the bed. May lamp siya. Tapos, pwede mo siyang arrange. Yan. Tapos, ito naman para dito. Tapos, yan, nalagyan. Then, the bed. And then, the luggage. Yan. Air humidifier. And table. TV. And phone. Sa table, naangat siya. Tada! And may ano siya. Living air. Tapos, on this side naman, have tada! Cup and kettle. Tapos, on the other side, have ref. May Coke. That's the TV, the remote. Gone siya actually. Ano? Yung Japanese. So, here's the quick room tour. For the iron. Ayan, switch lang yan. That's all. We went to McDonald's to eat dinner. We ordered shrimp burger, fries, and Coke. Yan yung unique sa McDo Japan na wala sa McDo sa atin. So far, okay naman yung lasa niya. It tastes good.
Melinda while going to Dotonbori.
After strolling Dotonbori, we are now going back to the hotel and we bought some goodies from convenience stores. That's all.